Hey, Minnesota and eastern North Dakota landowners. Do you need forest land or brush cleared tree removal? ROGSTAD Land Services can do it all. Whether it's farming land, lake property, or hunting land, they'll clear property lines, fence lines, shooting lines, and clear feeding plots. Or maybe you need some dozer work or pond building on your property, along with driveway work and soil conditioning and mulching. They're also your dealer for real-world wildlife products. Everything you'll need for your food plots. Call Tyler at ROGSTAD Land Services right now for your next project. That's 218-368-6740. Or email ROGSTAD Land Services at outlook.com.